This looks an awful lot like tortilla flats. This is where I did the Indian FTR event, and I didn't do that though. I did not do that. I didn't do that though. I did not do that. Somebody did on the FTR event. Somebody did actually do something like that, and I got to rescue him. He was fine. Only a little bit of injury to the right arm. There's actually an article about it. There is an article about it. Not that I assisted, but that he crashed a brand new 2022 Indian FTR 1200S. Woo! All right, so what happened? So great views, beautiful views. It's in the evening time, Tortilla Flats. This is what the road looks like. We're all just kind of looking at the other motorcycle riders, and then the beautiful view way up here. Okay, beautiful view. Let's go ahead and take a look. And look at that. So pretty. So pretty. Now, here's the problem. We're using our focal vision. The little 3 degrees cone of where we actually have focused, clear, crystal clear vision. Just take a look. Look at me. Just look at my eyes. Look at my eyes. You notice how everything else is blurry? You get closer. Get close to the screen. Just get close to the screen. Get closer. Get closer. Just stare at me. Now everything's blurry. Everything else is blurry. That's focal vision. It's not weird. Don't worry about it. Focal vision. You're using it. You need that for the front. You need that for where you need to stare at hazard. Not stare. You need to look at hazards. Use your peripheral. Just enjoy it. You understand that you're in a beautiful area. Just feel it. Feel it. Now we're going to go over here. We didn't really pay attention. We're looking back. It's like beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Oh, crap. Went a little bit wide. Now we're going to have the uneven pavement to the dirt ratio. And then we're going to have a little bit of gravel and traction loss. And we're going to dump the bike. Okay, that's just what's going to happen. Now, over what? A mistake? Now, remember, the GoPro's on his face, right? GoPro's on his face. Where is the GoPro going? Those are some pretty-ass rocks. Our face is going into the dirt, into the gravel, into the rocks, into the pavement. Hopefully, you have a full-face helmet. So what do we do here? What's the situation? This is a cornering mistake that happens quite a bit, and it's no buenos. It's because the view is distracting you. This is what you call rubbernecking. So this could be on the main road and fire trucks are helping somebody in a big house fire, and you're looking left while you're supposed to be turning, and you look forward, and boom, you crash into something. It's called rubbernecking. It's basically like your head stays and your body keeps moving. You know? Think of like Looney Tunes. That's what's happening here. It's taking our vision away from what's pertinent, what is important, what is in front of us, what is going to damage and hurt us. We're looking at something that's not that important. It's beautiful, but like I said, just feel that you're in a good spot. You don't have to look because you don't want to do this. No buenos. And Atina's motorcycle vlog. Okay, merging issue, typical issue. Great job on the progressive braking. You typically see people dump the bike in that situation. So let's go ahead and take a look. We have that pattern. We switched lanes because it's a long lane to the left. Nice and easy movement, and it's free on the right. That's what other people are going to do too. So we get over here, and that's when you start to see it, and she's going to, I believe it's a she, and Tina's, anyways, the rider is going to apply progressive brake pressure, really good progressive brake pressure. Let's go back so you can see it in real time, and then we'll move on to the next one. Brake, brake, brake. Good job braking. Thankfully, wasn't hit. Thankfully, didn't dump the bike. And we're here to watch it and learn. Good job. Show of hands in the comments if you have crashed your motorcycle or ever had to deal with motorcycle insurance. Go ahead and write it down. For those of you that don't even have motorcycle insurance or you're looking to possibly get a better deal, Progressive is sponsoring this video and wanted me to talk to you about how easy it is to get a quote. So I decided to go ahead and get one myself, and it took me less than 3 minutes to do the whole process, absolutely free. Got an email with the quote, and now I'm working through the process there. Go ahead and do it. Links in the description. Very quick, very easy. I'll see you in the video. His phone, I need to stop saying that, but it's true. His phone fell off.
Serieus, ouwe.
Watch out, they're going to go backwards. There we go.
Gaan we daar
I'm wondering why I was
natuurlijk. Oh.
like disappearing the whole stream.
Oh.
Don't go yet.
Nou, doen.
Don't go yet.
Je kan hem er toch niet voor
Don't do it.
schelen?
Oh my gosh.
Wat ben je nou aan het doen?
What are you doing? What's up, Chris Mahoney?
Niet te geloven dit.
Yeah, now we gotta watch out. There you go. Found an escape. Just get out of there.
If you enjoyed it, see you soon in the next video. Ride safe.
All right, I'll ride safe. All right. So air's throttle. Hey, very good use of words. Side of the vehicle. Okay. Oh, our buddy's going a little wide, going all over the place. Can't keep a turn. Oh, I feel like he's new. I think he's new. You see how he was 50 pensing it?
Actually happened to me. The same thing happened to me in my last video at the very beginning of it. A dirt bike came up on me really fast in a group ride, and it made me underestimate a corner, and I hit the bike lane. I hit the bike lane line, but luckily there wasn't anything beyond the bike lane except for more road.
All right, so here we go. We're going through a corner, which is just another corner and another corner. It's a roundabout. So we know we're not going to do a 90-degree turn. So when we do this, we need to be able to navigate it by going a little bit slower and watching for hazards. So this person may be more experienced. This person got some lean angle, going a little fast around this corner. It's a lot of fun. This person looks a little new. So if we're in a group ride, what are we doing? Are we trying to convince our buddies to keep up? This person needs to ride his own ride. These people need to not do this. This is Max Wrist's excuse all the time. Well, they should ride their own ride. They shouldn't try to keep up with me. You're doing a group ride. You're doing a meetup. They're going to try to keep up with you. You have influence. If you don't think you have influence, you do. These people have influence on just one person. Just two people, not famous or whatever. I don't know if they are. Has an influence on this rider. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. You have it. Even with your friends searching for adventure. So you see how he's going all over the place? You see that? He went wide, came back in, went wide, came back in. And now when he came back in that second time, he had to lean very far, or the person had to lean very far and lost traction. And now we're just kind of done. We're going to go out wide again. We can't lean. We're trying to lean back. And we can't do it. We're all over the place. It's just a new rider. We hit the curb. You guys have influence over your friends. You really do. Peer pressure is a real thing. It had nothing to do with YouTube, had nothing to do with social media. Peer pressure is real. Okay? Rom Hub once again, but we're on a CBR. Having a little bit of fun. Watch out for the person merging into you because we're kind of boxed in. And there it is. The horn is one thing, but get yourself out of danger first. All right? The horn is one thing. All right. Lane filtering.
The drivers didn't accept lane splitting and
I'm talking.
on purpose.
All right, thank you, Motostars. Appreciate it. Whoa, we got a little pushed in. Okay, we're gonna move on with this one because it's a lane filtering issue, maybe a little bit of road rage. We're trying to get from point A to point B as fast as possible. We're really cutting corners, risky stuff. Let's just move on with our day. This is really a non-issue, but we did a hit and run. So, guys, if you like this kind of stuff, we do this every Tuesday and Thursday on this channel at 3 p.m. Mountain Standard Time live. So make sure you check that out. But if you want to check out some other things like this video right here or this video right here, please do so. It supports the channel. Click that like button, by the way. Check into class. Anyways, I'll be seeing you around.